Hello guys, so this will be a video on how to check dynamic coupon codes from flows. You know that static coupon codes are easy to check. Go to the website, add to cart and just add the coupon code. But for dynamic coupon codes it is harder and you need to do a few things. So for example, let's say you need to do the double check of this flow and you finish the double check, everything is right, but you want to check if the coupon codes are working. So what you need to do is go to one of the emails from the flow and save it as a template and name it whatever. Then on that profile, go find your subscription, go to messages, but first we will need to edit something. Before we send this email to ourselves through this place, make sure if this flow has more than one coupon code, don't just send different emails. There is no need for that. So you see this is 5% discount, this is 7% discount. So what we need is we will go into this email and to the template that we copied previously from the first email where it has the 5% discount. So this is the template with 5% discount. You can even change this template a little bit. It doesn't matter because here this is done only for testing of the coupon codes. So you take the other discount from the email which is for 7% and you add it one below other. So make sure that in the email that you will be sending to yourself, you have all the codes from this one flow. So in one email you will check all the coupon codes, or even if you want you can check discounts from other coupon codes. Let's say you want to add a discount from pre-purchase flow or post-purchase flow, you can still do that. So just add all of the coupon codes, the dynamic coupon codes that you want to test, save this template, and we don't need this flow anymore. So now you can go to your profile, go to messages and send the message to yourself and just say, hey, we'll be testing dynamic codes, and choose that template that we just copied and edited. And remember, it has both of the dynamic coupon codes from this flow, the 5% and 7%. Save content, click on schedule email, make sure you pick send immediately. So now what will happen is you will receive an email with the two different dynamic coupon codes that you can test. So let me find those. So if I go to my email account, you see I got the email. So let's see now if this coupon code works. This is for 5% and it gave us 5%, which is around $13, $13.50. And then we can test the 7%. So it's 236. It should be less with the second one, and it's 231. So you see both coupon codes are working, they're dynamic, we tested them, and with this we can confirm that the flow that we had and the dynamic coupon codes in it are correct and they're working. So yeah, that would be it for this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.